Hello everybody, welcome to Home Gardening 4.0. Thanks for joining me. What I'm going to do today is that I am going to transplant these leeks. These two rows here, I'm going to transplant them on this side of this bed. But first, before I get started, I have to raise this side of the bed. I have to add dirt because that spot is higher than here. So when the sprinklers run, the water is going to want to run this way. So I want the water to stay evenly across the bed. Now these sprinklers are being shut off because nothing's been planted here, but the only thing that is being open is that sprinkler for that tree. So you can see it here. It's been opened, but the sprinklers themselves are being shut off. So first what I'm going to do is add dirt, even it out, and then starting transplanting on this bed. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to get myself ready. I have some dirt and I have some water because I have to wet this bed first before I start transplanting. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to plant this every 6 inches. So go right here, right here. Now the reason why we are transplanting these leeks is because they have already grown too much in these pockets here, and the roots, you can see the roots, they are too long, they are too big as well. So it has stopped the growth. So now we have to transplant, and that's why we are doing them, because we have noticed that the growth has pretty much stopped. You can see the roots are just too big for them to be inside those pockets. So we're gonna go ahead and transplant them. That's why we're doing them. So they're gonna go now on the ground because they need to, so that their growth progresses faster. And I'm using the dirt that they had. For one thing, is because they're already moisture, they're wet, and so that will help also the plant for the watering, for the transplanting, to reduce the stress. And I'm slowly just tapping it down so that the tree, or the plant, sorry, stays straight, and then just fill in with dirt. Okay, so now that they are all planted, I don't know if you can see them, but they are all in a row. all the way to the end. I'm gonna water them, then I'm gonna open the sprinklers because they're closed, but I'm gonna have to test it first. So I'm gonna have to go open it, set it on manual, open them, and then see how much water I'm going to allow it to flow into this bed. But I'm gonna water them first. Okay, so now that they're watered and the tag is up, so this is done for today. So thank you all for joining me, and we'll see you guys on our next video.